ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಟುಡೇ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ 13th lesson ಅಲ್ವಾ? And are you comfortable with the KAAGUNITHA now? Identify ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You are able to identify the KAAGUNITHA. You are able to identify the ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ, alphabets, ಅಕ್ಷರ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. Wonderful? Good, very good. If you have any doubt, please go check out the foundation courses. So where foundation courses ali you have so many videos. You have to go through the basic videos and also you can purchase level 1 level 2 book to practice it. So ivattu this is our lesson 13. So lesson 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? We are going to do a ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, frame own sentences. Okay, so ಸ್ವಂತ, how do you write ಸ್ವಂತ? ಸಾಗೆ ವಾವತ್ತು ಸ್ವ ಸೊನ್ನೆ ತ ಸ್ವಂತ is own. ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಬರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್, ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, today in first class we'll take few words, unknown words which is already we know it from previous class, and few words will take a new words which we don't know yet. And naaleಯಿಂದ we'll try to take every word as a new word which is completely new to us. Okay na? And you can also comment ಮಾಡಿ and do let me know which word you want me to take in the next class. Okay, so let's start. Write it down. First word bogalu. Bogalu, what is bogalu? Bo bo bo, barking. Yes, bogalu is the first word. So this is how I write Kannada one. Bo baridi, bo bogalu. So dog is barking. Nai bogalu tige ತಾವತ್ತು ತಿದೆ, ನಾಯಿ ಬೊಗಳುತ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, if you want to say the dogs are barking, instead of a nayi, you would say nayigalu, and instead of a they, you would write bogaluttive. Bogaluttive. So this is what we call singular plural, alva? Ekavachana, bahuvachana. Wherever ide is there, it will become ibe. Just remember this as of now. We will do this one again in our one more classes. Okay na? So nayi bogaluttide. This is our first sentence. So first word is bogalu. We'll go to the second one and try to frame the new sentence. If you can frame a new sentence, you can frame the new sentence. Okay na? Very good. I'll erase this one. We'll go for the second word. Write down the second word. Haru. Haru. I have a two meanings here for haru. This is how I write two in Kannada. Haru. Haru. Haru has two meanings. One meaning is a jump. Another meaning is fly. So I'll take it with the fly now. Last sentence we had seen haru madidva navu. No, we have not done that. Okay, so hakki hari hoitu, we have done it. Yes, hakkigalu, the birds are flying. Haru tive, tige tavattu ve, hakkigalu ಹಾರುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಹಾರುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗ ಹಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಮಂಗ is ಕೋತಿ. See here, manga haruttide doesn't mean that the monkey is flying. Here the monkey is jumping. Both are different. Okay na? So according to the noun you will understand the verb. So what are these? Haru, bogalu, these are the verbs, action words. Alva? Fine? Very good. So the second word was haru, which means a fly or jump. We'll go to the third word ivaga. So write down the third word, iju. This is how I write 3 in Kannada. ಈಜು. ಈಜು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಈಜು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನುಗಳು. ಮೀನುಗಳು. The fishes were swimming. ಈಜು ತೀಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು ದಾಗೆ ದಾವತ್ತು ವು. The fishes were swimming. It is not fishes are swimming. The fishes were swimming. It was. Okay. Meenu is a new word that we are learning here. Meenu andre fish. Meenugalu is a plural of it. Okay. ಈಜುತ್ತಿದ್ದವು. It were swimming. ತೀಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು ದಾಗೆ ದಾವತ್ತು. Very important. Okay. We'll go for the next one. This is our right 4 in Kannada. Sundara. Su sonne da ra. Sundara andre beautiful. Sundara andre beautiful. Very good. That betta. Mountain. Betta. That mountain is beautiful. Sundara vagide. That mountain is beautiful. Betta sundara vagide. Clear? Very good. So we have learned one more new word here. Makla, very important. You have to make a list of all the new words that you are learning in the class. Okay, na? Betta is a mountain. Betta sundaravagide. Good? Okay. So how many words we have learned now? We learned bogalu, bark, nai, dog. Then we learned haru, which means a fly, as well as a jump. We learned manga, koti, which is monkey, which we learned in the last class, alva? Yes. Hakki also we learned in the last class, alva? Bird, yes. Then we learned iju, which means a swim. Meenu, that is a fish. Meenugalu, the plural form of the fish. Then we learned sundara, beautiful. Betta, mountain. Betta, that mountain. Betta, this mountain. Okay, na? So make a note of all these things, and here we'll stop today's class. If you have any doubt, any questions, please do let me know. Yes, we are going to do little less sentences in the beginning, because I want you to start framing your new sentences, own sentences. So now you have to give me minimum of 5 sentences in the comment box. So mobile tagoli, mobile alli Kannada typing is very easy. Go take out mobile. If you are watching this video in a laptop, go take out mobile tagondu take help with your parents. Parents, please help children. Show them the keyboard of Kannada, so they will learn slowly. So the Ottakshara and all, they learn slowly. So type maadi, do send it to me. If you are finding it difficult that way, write it down in a paper barkoli, take a photo, send an email to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Okay, na? So this will be easy for you. Very good. Okay. Or you can also directly send it to the Instagram. My Instagram page, yashaswikannadavaani. Send madbodu. Okay, fine. So anything which is comfortable for you, please do share this with your friends. Let them also find comfortable. Learn with your friends. Ella kutkondu ottige learn ಮಾಡಿ. You will come up with more sentences, more stories. It will be so fun, too fun. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow in our 14th class. Be prepared for the 14th class. We'll be doing a new words. Okay, so thank you so much, Makla. I'll see you everyone. Please do check the description box for the old playlist, the lessons and the books that you can buy from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Thank you so much. Namaskara.